Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Bella. Hi guys, today's video is all about numbers. Numbers, you will need them everywhere. Let it be on the bill, in the restaurant or in the bar. Let it be in the telephone numbers or postcodes or any other thing that you can think of with numbers. So today we will learn the numbers 1 to 20. Are you ready to start? Okay, let's crack on then. Number 1. Eins. Eins. Number 2. Zwei. Zwei. It's quite tricky, I know. Number 3. Drei. Drei. Number 4. Vier. Vier. Number 5. Fünf. Fünf. Next one, number 6. Sechs. Sechs. Number 7. Sieben. Sieben. Number 8. Acht. Acht. Number 9. Neun. Neun. And number 10. Zehn. Zehn. So guys, are you ready to repeat after me? Okay. Eins. Zwei. Drei. Vier. Fünf. Sechs. Sieben. Acht. Neun. 10. So guys, our next number is 11. Elf. Elf. 12 is 12. 12. Tricky, I know. 13 is 13. 13. Next number is 14. 14. 14. 15 is 15. 15. 16 is 16. 16. I know another tricky one. 17. 17. 17. 18 is 18. 18. 19 is 19. 19. 10. And the last one is 20. 20. 20. Guys, ready to repeat after me? All the way from 1 to 20. You ready? Let's try and let's watch our pronunciation. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 und 20. So guys, I thought I would do a quick quiz with you. I will hold up a number and you will tell me what it's called in German. Are you ready? Okay, let's start. Our first number is number 4. Do you guys know? Yes, number 4 is called 4. 4. Next one. 18. Can you remember? Right, guys, it's 18. 18. Next one is 7. 7 is 7. Right, guys. 7. Number 6. Can you remember? Yes. Number 6 is called 6. 6. Next one. Number 13. Can you remember that one? 13. 13. Next one. 20. Can you remember, guys? 20. 20. You're doing great, guys. Keep on. Keep it up. 15. 15. 15. Well done, guys. And our last number, last but not the least, number 9. Right, guys, number 9 is called 9. 9. You did great, guys. I hope you enjoyed today's quick video about the numbers 1 to 20. And I hope to see you in my live session on Sunday. Be there, right? I see you guys then. Bye.